Want your skin 2 times whiter? Then don't worry, in this video you can lighter your skin with homemade masks by Naturally. With age, you may notice changes in your skin. Several issues like blemishes, dark spots, and pigmentations begin to appear on your skin, and it often turns dull. That is when using the best homemade face packs for skin whitening may help. Though your skin color is not a measure of your beauty, you need to combat these issues to keep your skin healthy, happy, and bright. 1. Milk powder face pack for skin lightening. You will need 1 teaspoon of powdered milk, 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh orange juice. 1 teaspoon of oatmeal powder means blend the oats in fine powder. Mix all the ingredients until they are well combined. Wash your face with a cleanser and pat dry. With clean fingers, apply the mask to your face and neck. Leave it on for about 10-15 minutes. Wash off with cool water. How often? 1-2 times a week. Benefits of milk powder: contains lactic acid, which has strong bleaching properties. This face pack helps peel off the dull, dead skin cells to expose a layer of new and healthy skin cells. The vitamin C content of orange juice also possesses skin lightening properties, which will help fade dark patches and marks. 1. Curd face pack for skin lightening. You will need 1 teaspoon of curd, 1 teaspoon PF tomato juice, 1 teaspoon of oatmeal. Mix all the ingredients until they are well combined. Wash your face with a cleanser and pat dry. With clean fingers, apply the mask onto your face and neck. Leave it on for about 15-20 minutes. Wash off with cool water. How often? 2-3 times a week. Benefits of curd. Curd helps moisturize your skin, while the tomato and oatmeal in this pack help exfoliate and lighten your skin. Tomato especially has excellent skin lightening properties, which work well to remove tan and fade acne marks. 1. Mint leaves for skin lightening. Will need a handful of mint leaves water if needed. Grind the mint leaves to a thick paste. If the mixture is too thick, add some water and grind again. Wash your face with a cleanser and pat dry. With clean fingers, apply the mask to your face and neck. Wait for 20 minutes until the mask dries. Wash off with cool water. How often? 1-2 times a week. Benefits of mint leaves. Mint is a strong and refreshing astringent with purifying properties. It helps fade a tan and blemishes while evening out your skin tone. Hope you love this video. Do like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.